Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post easy tutorial video just like this. So if you guys also want to get notified when we post new video, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And without any further ado, let's start the video. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can stop your Discord from causing FPS drop on your game. So basically what FPS is frames per second, and the lower it gets, the more laggier the game feels. So sometimes Discord causes this problem as well. I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can fix it. So it's pretty simple. First, you want to click on where it says user setting on your Discord. Once you're in your user setting, you want to go to where it says advanced on your setting. Once you're in your advanced, you want to turn this hardware acceleration over here off. After turning off your hardware acceleration, your Discord will open again by restarting, and after your Discord is restarted, it should fix your problem and your Discord shouldn't cause FPS drop on your game, and you can turn on your Discord in your background while playing games to chat with your friends. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to our One to Step YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys want any tutorial videos for us to make on, you can comment down below and we'll make it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.